Hi, and welcome to That's So Nova. I'm Nova. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hello. I have a very fast and quick tutorial for you. There's a bag, either you're seeing it now, watching it now, or you're going to be seeing it in the future, called the Alley. It's from Cereal Bag Maker. And I wanted to go over particularly these grommets that are inside the bag. They're called force fit grommets. You don't need any really special machine or rivet press for it. And I wanted to elaborate how you install them, because in the video I explained to you that you can use a mallet and a rubber board or what have you on your ground, but I didn't show it because I was filming it incredibly late and I didn't want to wake any of the neighbors. I own a townhouse, so people on the sides and I didn't want to wake them up, but because it's broad daylight, I thought it would be better to show you how I install these beautiful grommets. And once you see it, you're going to want to install them on everything. So here we go. All right, so in the video I explained to you that you need to be on a hard surface, like a concrete surface is your best bet. I'm in the basement, so I usually do these on the floor, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you what I do if I'm in a pinch and I can't be on the ground. I have a cheap rubber mallet, mat. You can get these at Home Depot, Hobby Lobby, anywhere you get like supplies for your home, you can use it. I have a metal square that's a slab, or you can use an anvil. I have one of those too, like a small anvil. This is like super heavy. And I have a cutting board where you see there's much love on this board. Most of them do. They're like small little boards that you only use for installing hardware. So with this, we're gonna pretend like we're doing a bucket bag and we want to install these grommets. My number one thing is to measure the diameter inside of your grommet. This hole should not be bigger than this on there, or it will not fit. It will be loose and it won't look good. A little bit smaller than what it is great. I get a lot of people asking me what size grommets, what size grommets. It's based off of your diameter. You can match up this. This is a 1/2 inch. And you can see that these two go side by side. They have 3/8 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 7/8, and they have 1 inch. And that is just your inner circle. The outside can vary. You could see a 1/2 inch diameter with an inch grommet. When you see grommets, are usually like all the measurements and how they size them is by the diameter. So what I would do is I will line up however my pattern says, and I would take my mallet and I'll strike down. And I try to keep it as straight. Sometimes it does wobble, but just keep it as straight as you can. And there's also, you'll see in the video, if you watch my alley video, that you can buy molds and you can cut these presses using your press. But the old school fun way, and also get to whack something, is using this. And this is, you can get these at Amazon. You can get them pretty much anywhere that your local area has, like they sell tools and whatnot. This is a half inch, 12 mm. Then I take my grommet and I just stick the male insert, because if you can see there's a female and a male insert. I take the male and I pop it through. It doesn't really matter how you do it. I prefer to do that way because the male has a stem and you can just push it through and really push down your fabric. If I was using cotton woven, I would put a little bit of fabric tack or fabric fray. I just like putting glue on everything, to be honest with you. I put the female on and they kind of just snap together. Once they do, I grab some fleece. This is Thermolam, so it's pretty thick. I'm going to hold it over and I'm going to hit this, not my finger, like, not my finger, hit it, and it's in. Easy peasy. That's it. That's all you have to do. A couple whacks and you're good. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn more little tips and tricks, please subscribe. And until the next time I see you, happy sewing.